Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials, but today is Friday Sews. I went to Joann's yesterday and all their Kwik Sew patterns are 99 cents each. So I picked up a few I wanted to show you. This one is Kwik Sew 10818. And I thought this will come in handy for my grandkids. You can make a little reading pillow where you can put in some pens and a book with the pillow. And it also has a little backpack you can make with a pocket. And a cute little organizer to put on the side of the mattress of the bed, and you can put the books and pens and things in there to put for reading. I thought that was really good for 99 cents. And then I got this Kwik Sew K4335. Some cute aprons. There's the line drawings. And I love that they have like a mommy and daughter or a grandma and granddaughter apron. When my granddaughter gets big enough, she's going to be born in April. I can't wait. The end of April. And then I picked up this 10824 of some different hats. I want to try to make a hat that's waterproof to wear in the pool to keep the sun off my face. So I'm going to look. If you could recommend a fabric that would be good to make a hat for it to be waterproof for the pool, please comment below. I've never made a hat before, so this will be a first time for me making a hat. So if anybody has any tips or fabric suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Thank you. And there's the line drawings of that. And you know I love my tea, so I had to pick this up. This is 10849 Kwik Sew pattern. It has a mug case, a tea bag case, and a mug cozy. Very cute. And this was the whole reason I went to Joann's, was to find this pattern. I love this little apron right here. It's so cute with a little flower. And this is K4336. And it also comes with a smaller pattern for your granddaughter or a mother-daughter apron. But I'm going to be making these for me and my granddaughter when she gets big enough. Love that. And this is the fabric I'm going to use to make this. I found this beautiful pink polka dot fabric. 100% cotton to make that apron. Isn't it pretty? And this was, let's see, this was $4.19 a yard. I love polka dots. So pretty. So I can't wait to make that apron. I'll try to do a tutorial on this in the future and post it on my channel if you want to see how to make this. And then I found this beautiful sketch sunflower pattern. This one is navy with the white sketch sunflower, and it was $4.19 a yard. I love that. I think I'm going to try to make some tops out of this. And then I also found it in a black print with the beautiful sunflower print for $4.19 a yard. That's also going to be a top. And then I found this beautiful pastel. I like when when I can find some like artsy. This looks to me like they just painted watercolor polka dots all over this. This is going to be an apron. Another apron. So pretty. I love polka dots. Pastel polka dot was $5.99 a yard. And the final fabric I bought is this beautiful pink with sunglasses. This was $5 a yard. And I'm going to make a summer dress out of this. So pretty. And I finished sewing up my garment for the collab I'm doing with Stephanie Farrell Focus. So that will be coming soon. Stay tuned. I'll be letting you know when we're going to post that video. I've been feeling a little frustrated with my sewing room. It's been driving me kind of crazy because it's kind of a mess. I have so much stuff in here that I really want to reorganize it and declutter it and try to find a better working design. So I'm going to show you guys my sewing room, the before. I'll show a little video here of how it looks right now, and then later I'll show you the after when I get it done. Okay, we're walking into my sewing room, my very messy sewing room. And you can see why it's giving me a headache and making me very frustrated and stopping my flow of creativity because it is a mess. And it has gotten this messy because I just started this YouTube channel in September and I got all this fabric and equipment and it's just overtaking me. So I've got to rearrange this and get it more organized. I have my serger over there, and this table I'm going to take and move it to the porch, to another room, and put the computer out there. And then over here is all my fabric and my sewing supplies, my thread. And I love everything there where I can see it. I'm a bee. If you saw that channel that does what kind of organizer you are, I'm a bee. I have to see everything because I used to have everything in bins, in closed bins, and I hated it because I couldn't see the colors and see what I had so I could be inspired and be creative. So I figured out that this is good for me. It's not good for everybody. Some people love things hidden behind doors, but I like to see my fabric and see my paints so I can get inspired and see my thread and all my buttons. So I love this part, but the rest of the room has got to change. And this over here I'll show you is where I keep all my paints and my painting aprons, and all my painting supplies are in a shoe caddy on the back of the door where I keep my paints and painting supplies and brushes and things like that. So I love this section, but this section over here I definitely want to change and declutter and move that table out of here. And over here is my cutting table, which I can't hardly get to. I'm always having to move this ironing board all around, and half the time I'm tripping myself over wires, so I really need to change this. And there's my iron on my little old-fashioned metal chair. And I love these little shoe things to keep all my things where I can see them and they're organized. But let's see. And I want to keep the ironing board and my cutting table. And here's my sewing machine set up. That's my daughter's old desk from when she was a little girl. I kept it because I love that old-fashioned style and I love white furniture. And so I have that there, and then I have this here. This is how I film my up-close videos when I'm sewing. So I kind of move it out of my way when I'm sewing, and then if I'm doing a tutorial, then I bring it back down. It's kind of hard to sew around because this kind of has a better view than I do sometimes, but it helps for people to see, to learn how to sew. So I really like that. And that's my bulletin board. And I love that Bible verse. Oh, and I love this clock that my friend got me. She had my name put on it as a gift. See it. So that's about it. Oh yeah, my closet, it's a real disaster. Let me show you that. It's really big and roomy, but I really need to declutter this big time because I have all these bins and I have stuff in here for gift wrap. It's just a mess. I've got to get in here and organize big time. And I got all my supplies. And this is bins with all my scraps, my pink and purple scraps, my blue and green scraps, my white and beige and black scraps. And I have so much fabric that's coming out. I don't like it in here. I like it up on my bookshelf so I can see it. So this is the messy, messy before. So in a week or two, I'll show you the after. Tonight, when my husband gets off work, we're going to rearrange the furniture, and it's going to probably take me a while to declutter because I got a lot of stuff in here. And it's just getting so hard to work in here because it's just too messy, and I can't work when it's messy. The main things that I want to keep in here is my sewing machine, my cutting table, and my ironing board, and my serger. And I have right now this big table with a computer on it, and my Cricut, and some my extra sewing machines, and I can't even get to them because it's just too crowded, too messy. So I'm going to work on it, and I'll show you the before, and then when I get it done, I'll show you the after, which might be in a week or two, depending on how long it takes me to get this done. But I am tired of working like this. I want to get it more organized. So that's my plans now for the future too, to try to get this done, which is going to be a big job. So anyway, if you found value in my video today, please hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe. And subscribe is totally free. I was talking to a friend the other day, and she thought subscribe on YouTube meant she had to pay. I'm like, no. When you subscribe, it's totally free. It just means you're going to be notified when I do my next video. So if you like my video, please check out this video right here. Click on it and watch it. I think you'll really like it. Thank you for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.